Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to enable speed indicator in Android, and this works in every smartphone without any losses. Further, firstly click on the red subscribe button below and click on the bell icon for updates. And this is the best speed indicator app. Further, click on the Play Store and type speed indicator in search bar. In the result, we see the speed indicator free app, and this app has 4.4 ratings and 100k plus downloads. And this app is the one of the best speed indicating app and monitoring app. I will show some pic about this. And this app is last updated on October 16, 2018. Now I will show you how to firstly open, and here I am using this app from last few weeks. It can monitor all data consumed by the apps. My daily usage is 484.6 MB today, and my Wi-Fi usage is 1.3 GB, and it also shows the monthly usage and also yearly usage. Now I will show you an example for this, how it works. Now I'm going to Google Chrome browser, and now I open a new tab in this, and now I am searching for YouTube, and you can able to see the speed of network. It shows correctly as the speed, and it is also show the download speed, and this app contains very less ads. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Like this video and share with your friends.